updates coming in. A cargo container got sucked into the engine of an Air India A350 plane at IGI airport. A video of which is doing the rounds. This video was captured by a passenger who was on board the aircraft, which shows the aircraft stationed on the tarmac and surrounded by the on-ground staffers. The damage to the engine could also be seen in the video. Let's go across to Hina, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Hina, a passenger has captured this video which shows the cargo container which was sucked into the engine of the Air India 350 plane.
Well, that's right, Swati. Actually, it was an AI 101 flight that was supposed to operate from Delhi to New York. It had to return to the national capital because of the closure of the Iranian airspace. Upon return at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, a freak incident, in fact, really took place. And you're seeing the visuals on your screens right now. A cargo container got sucked into the right engine of this particular plane. It was an A350 plane of Air India's fleet, and Air India has confirmed via a statement as well that it has issued. Air India has called it a foreign object, in fact, that got ingested, that got sucked into the right engine of this particular plane. Now, as a result, the plane is grounded. There is an investigation that's going to take place as to how did something like this happen. Thankfully, there was no impact on the passengers at all. All the passengers are absolutely safe. But this video, it shows actually the kind of damage this particular incident has caused to the right engine of this particular A350 plane. Now, also important to note is what Air India has mentioned, that this incident could actually lead to disruptions, on some routes. Of course, one is because of the closure of Iranian airspace. On the other hand, whatever routes this particular aircraft was supposed to fly on, was scheduled to fly on, those routes could actually see some kind of disruptions because of this incident.
All right, Hina, thank you very much for getting us the details. And as we wrap up this bulletin, let's take a